Hi guys, this is DM&C. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and don't forget to the bell icon.
In this video, you will get to know 10 plus singers who are no more but have huge followers on Instagram. For this, we are taking deceased singers having 1 million or more followers. So not wasting much time, here we go. Elvis Presley has 1.1 million followers on Instagram. Tupac Shakur has 5.9 million followers on Instagram. John Lennon has 2.2 million followers on Instagram. David Bowie has 1.8 million followers on Instagram. Bob Marley has 5.9 million followers on Instagram. Kurt Cobain has 1.2 million followers on Instagram. Chester Bennington has 1.3 million followers on Instagram. Freddie Mercury has 1 million followers on Instagram. Michael Jackson has 6 million followers on Instagram. Avicii has 6.9 million followers on Instagram. Xxxtentacion has 18.8 million followers on Instagram. Juice WRLD has 12 million followers on Instagram.